This video will show you how to prepare a study with the EndoPAT2000. First, turn on the system for at least 20 minutes before starting the study. Make sure the device is about 1 to 2 feet or 33 to 66 centimeters from the patient, and the laptop screen is positioned away from the patient. It is recommended for the laptop and the device to be on a trolley. Make sure the laptop is connected to a power outlet and that power and sleep settings are set to never. Turn off Wi-Fi and any other application running on the computer and disconnect other devices. Connect a new set of probes. Room temperature must be set 21 to 24 degrees Celsius or 70 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Dim down the lights and make sure no harsh light is on. The study should be conducted in a quiet and relaxed atmosphere. Turn off all distractions to avoid a startling effect on the patient. Avoid talking as much as possible througout the study. When a patient arrives, use his previous blood pressure values or measure one at least 30 minutes before the test. Perform the measurement on the non-occluded arm. Explain to the patient how the test is conducted. He will need to be quiet and not move for 16 minutes. The occlusion phase will take 5 minutes, in which he might feel numbness and a tingling sensation in the occluded hand. The patient should remove any heavy coats, clothes with thick sleeves, watches, rings, and other jewelry. Please inspect the patient's fingers for any injuries and deformities that might affect the study. Make sure fingernails are trimmed. The index finger is the preferred finger for the study. However, if the finger is too large, you may choose any different finger except the thumb. Make sure you use the same finger for both hands. Please make sure the patient has at least 15 minutes of acclimatization time in the building. The patient should sit or lie down comfortably. In either case, the patient's hand must be supported at approximately heart level. The blood pressure cuff should be applied snugly, but without excess pressure. Make sure the valve is shut close. Activate the EndoPAT2000 application by clicking on the icon. Click on the patient information icon. Enter patient details as required. The photographer is the operator of the study. Press OK. The PAT probe should be placed inside the appropriate sockets of the arm supports. Fully deflate the probes by clicking the icon in the software or by pressing the deflate button on the device. If the probes are not new, a warning dialog box will open. Replace the probes with new probes. Place the selected fingers into the probes, making sure the fingers are inserted all the way to the end of the probe. Inflate probes by pressing the inflate button on the device or the software. Place the blue foam anchor ring on the adjacent finger to the one with the probe on as near as possible to the finger's root. Make sure the tubing forms a loop from the probe, reaching half of the palm and back to the anchor, pointing away from the patient. Place the forearms comfortably on the arm support, palm side down and fingers hanging freely at heart level. Tube should be free of contact with the back of the hand. Make sure that the probes are free and not in contact with any object. You are now ready to begin to study. More on this in the Conducting a Study video.